Hello. We've been getting up to no good. I bought myself a new toy, which I'm going to come show you in a minute on camera. I've had it, what, a day? If that. Maybe 2 days. What day are we on? No, I've had it a day, bought it yesterday.
Oh, it's Monday today, yeah.
So as you've seen me post on our R.C.S.C page, Facebook, I've decided to go for a complete rebuild and you name it, a proper job on a Toyota Land Cruiser LC70. Love the look of the shell, so going to personalise it a bit. Flip the camera over if I can, and I'll show you.
That one.
What are you pointing at? That one. That takes pictures, doesn't it?
Oh.
Don't pictures. This is what we have now. All come apart, and surprising how heavy-handed me and Co are, we've not damaged anything.
Especially on Shaky Stevens, eh?
Shut up.
Have we got any of the little screws that come out?
Hey?
We've got any of the
I've
little
got the picture of the one. I'll post up the picture of that tiny one. But some of the screws for this body shell, they're just tiny.
Yeah, look at the size
I don't know if you're going to be able to. I don't know if I'm going to be able to even get the camera to focus on the bloody thing.
Hang on.
I mean, you can't even pick it up.
Oh, they are tiny. You can't even pick this stuff up. Look at that, look.
Can we get it? Can we get it to focus? Don't know if it's going to focus. It's a bit bad, but we get the idea. You can see size of hand, size of. Next job is sanding and prepping for paint.
I'm impressed with how much details on this. I think it's going to be a nice project.
Yeah.
Nice project.
Yeah. Not sure on colour yet. Can't make my mind up.
I know what I'll do.
Pink.
Yeah. No, I was thinking red.
But yeah, with this one, we'll keep you posted. I'm sure the other Muppet will join us at some point as well to take this.
Oh, David is massive all stick.
Oh, yeah. The sun shines out of his arse, don't forget that. Yeah, we'll keep you updated. I know one thing already, you do have to be careful with the screws. Some of them are so bloody small and the plastic sort of seems brittle almost, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a case of finding. I know it's horrible to say, but you're going to have to break something to find out how strong this is.
We've managed to pop all the light hands out, like we was expecting it to.
It's tight, everything's tight fitting, isn't it?
Yeah, it is good. Looks pretty tidy though, I'm pretty impressed with it. So, we'll keep posted. He's been a Carl.
It's been a Brad.
And we're both plums. See ya. Hello. On my own this time. Thought I'd make an early start on the Toyota, sanding it back, getting all the colour off. So just a quick little showing around getting on. It's not taking too long for the little bit I've done so far, so I don't really like all this sort of sanding and painting stuff, but I want to do it properly this time. So there we go, just a quick once over. Only done that little bit so far, just want to get these holes filled in, and then we're and I have chose a colour as well. Boys don't like it, but my truck. So, alright. Shall keep you updated.
Dave, what the hell are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, you're sanding that down. You two look like a right pair. Dave's got a massive long one, Brad's got a tiny little one, look.
This is the sanding yoga tree.
Not bad.
Not bad, is it?
A bloody charger. Bloody thing.
Get a new one.
Yeah.
You complain about it, but you won't get it.
Hello.
How's it recording?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hi. What are you huffing for? We're done now. Well, we're not, but
We're not done.
for tonight we're done.
Right. Give him a rundown then.
So, as filmed earlier, sanding commenced and prep for painting. Boring, horrible job. So I got the boys involved because it was taking too long on me.
No, still didn't make me a cup of tea though, did you?
I'll do it in a minute. But so while Carlos tidied up the inner windows cab, he got the stickers on there for us, tidied up the lines and all that. It was a bit rough, but yeah, done a good job on that for us. While me and you, yeah, taking a bow.
Oh, hang on.
It was coming quite a finish.
Pink
Crocs that did
Pink
it.
Crocs.
But yeah,
I forgot.
bit more to do obviously before we put any colour on, but
It's getting there though.
we've hit every single part for now,
Bonnet,
and obviously looking a lot more
doors.
ready for paint. We're smooth all over,
Are
holes
you
filled.
going to go into a bit more? Try and get
Yeah. There's more to do, but it was just to get
the bulk is off.
going, get the bulk off.
It's just nitty gritty bits now, isn't it?
Gritty stuff, yeah.
Finishing doors off a
But
bit.
most of it is there.
Bonnet needs tackling, doesn't it?
Yeah. Mind you, there's a few little bits we want to do before we put it together anyway. I want to try and get it so doors have got some sort of new opening and closing mechanism.
Mechanisms for the oogle flangle dangles.
Yeah.
And the willy wangles.
Balls the old ones up because I took them off. Almost there. Almost the next stage.
Day 75 of car prep.
No. No.
No, it's only day what? 2? Day 3? Day 3, I think.
2
it is.
for me, I
2.
think.
Yeah, day 2. Day 2.
The strip down went really well. It's a case of trying not to break anything. Sorry, we keeping you awake, mate.
Yeah, I'm going to go to bed.
See them eyebrows.
Are they even attached?
Oh dear.
Oh, brilliant.
Mind you, I can't laugh. Look at them.
Yeah, but these yours have sort of got a bit of aerodynamics.
Go fast.
Dynamic eyebrows.
Go faster,
Do you know
eyebrows.
Mr.
That's what I do
Potato
when
Man?
I'm
Do this quick up.
when I'm in my car. I go,
I like Mr. Potato Man off a Toy Story, just like stick them on. Let's get a bit of masking tape and pull some off.
Do you know what? As much
I'm
as
trying this out, yes.
as much as I don't
We're
want this to
gonna,
hurt you, at the same time, I hope it does.
Just stick it on. Ow!
Quick one.
Yeah, just do it. Hurry up.
I didn't do anything.
Level 1 complete. Level 2. Electrical tape.
Hang on. Let's get this.
I don't think it's going to work. It don't look like it's sticking right. Nah, nothing. Disappointing.
Oh.
Right. So back to the car. Dave had a very good suggestion. Now, none of us like listening to Dave normally because he's too sensible and boring. Him. But Dave suggested, because this is going on the TRX4, if I bring the truck on, side rails have to come off. They're not staying on. They'll come off. That's what's advised. So, as we can see though, it's not obviously sitting in the right place, but just so we get the idea. Dave suggested, so it doesn't look so...
Let's get a bit of angle on that. Look.
So it don't look so odd with the wheel sticking out too far. Dave suggested fitting the original TRX... what are they? Fenders?
Fenders.
Yeah.
Fenders,
Whatever you want to
mud
call them.
guards, wheel arches. Wheel arches,
Yes,
that's the one.
Yeah. So it gives us another... It
Hang
gives
on
us
a
another
minute.
what?
I've got no eyebrows now. We could pencil some on.
While
Carry on to
while Carl's having a mental breakdown, we'll get back to the truck. Oh,
But yeah,
Jesus,
so-
right, yeah.
When it comes to rebuilding, once it's ready for it, we're going to put a few more little holes inside to line up the arches as best as we can. Might have to do a bit of cutting.
Yeah.
Looks like it'd be a pretty simple one to get on there. But
Yeah, not going to have to cut the shell, it would just be the wheel arches, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Probably have to trim at the front, maybe at the back a bit. And but you've got about that much.
So it brings the wheels
So
in
it'll
rather
bring-
than making it
yeah.
look a bit...
Because then you haven't
Old.
got to muck about with shortening axles or anything. But yeah.
Again, front bumper comes off. There's a
Front
lot we're going
bumper
to do to the truck, and
Well,
Like
this
they'll do to the
is
truck
going to have
and
to
the,
come off.
thing.
Side rails are going to have to come off.
rear bumper comes off.
Rear bumper comes off.
Wheelbase has got to be shortened at the front. by
4 mil, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm going to get some... going to do like what you said and make up some new
Yeah, 4mm bar from
So much
a
easier.
local Home Depot store
Mm-hmm.
for you Americans watching.
It's like already like threaded stuff, when threaded bar.
Yeah. Hang on a
Oh,
minute.
for God's
Right,
sake.
Carl's had his
He's
mental
officially
breakdown.
broke down.
He's gone. Fatherhood has broken already.
I'm gonna do a double whammy.
I'm sorry, but hold on a minute. Have you not seen? What's going to do that?
Oh, look at that!
Oh, it's disgusting. Finally had success.
Wow, look at that! Not only do we build cars,
We now strip eyebrows.
Jesus.
R.C.S.C.
Yeah.
That's disgusting.
Oh man, that hurt. I feel lighter, man. My head feels all wobbly.
Sorry for you that are a bit dicky on the tongue, but look at that.
But yeah, so they're the little bits we've got to do. You were saying they sell like threaded bar or something?
Yeah, Freddie Bar in the local.
Get some sleeves over
Has
it
to
or
be
whatever.
B&Q or home basement, I suppose.
I've not really done a lot on my truck other than that.
shops are
Because
Yes.
I'm looking forward to this being done so much now. Everything else has sort of come to a halt.
Almost jobbed.
Yeah.
And he hasn't lost his temper without throwing it in the bin yet. So it's a good sign.
Rising.
It's a good sign. Getting there. Right.
Someone's lost their eyebrows over it.
Yeah.
Or have they?
No,
We've
don't.
got a few uneven ones there. We might have to do it again.
Got like a couple of bald patches.
Probably wake up to one like a panda.
Well, he's been a Carl.
Right.
And that's it's been a dive.
Bye.
Oh, look at that!